YouTube have just released a brand new feature and it's called YouTube Handles. Now, a handle is that @ symbol that we've all become used to seeing and using on Twitter and Instagram and just tagging people in everyday life. But there is a little bit of a twist to it. Unlike your YouTube channel name, where many people can actually have the same YouTube channel name, only one channel or one person can have a unique handle. So stick around as I explain everything you need to know about the new YouTube Handles feature and how to actually claim your YouTube handle. And that's all coming up right now.
So here we are on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So YouTube handles have been released, and YouTube's information has said they're going to be rolling it out to everyone over the next few weeks. And the first time I got notified of it was when I went into my studio section, and there was a little drop down box here that said claim your YouTube handle, but it's actually disappeared. And I thought, oh no, does that mean I can't claim my handle? But I've actually found out another way. And also what YouTube have said is our current URL, they're going to be using parts of that to create our own unique handle. So right up the top, you can see here, me clicking on the screen, this is our current URL. So it's YouTube / and then you're able to customize a URL, or if you haven't customized a URL, there is just a whole heap of letters and numbers jumbled up. But I had a customized URL, and what YouTube are saying now is they're going to try and use combinations of this or part of this to auto create our handle for us. Now, they haven't automatically created a handle for me because my URL is already longer than the 30 characters allowed. So let's explore that. And another piece of puzzle that YouTube have notified us of is that if we don't select our own handle by November 14th, about a month from now, they will automatically assign us one. So to actually go into the settings, I want you to click on this button here, Customize Channel. And then this screen will appear, and then I want you to click on Basic Info. Okay, so let's run through what we've already got here. This is the current name of my channel. So my channel name is called Mark Warnken, Social Media Selling 123. Now, on YouTube, many people, or unlimited number of people, can actually have the same channel name. But it was the unique URL that we've all previously had, whereas only one person could have a unique URL. So that's why it was sort of important, if you qualified, was to claim your unique URL. And that's how we were notified on YouTube here with your URL. But what now YouTube are doing, they're now giving us access to handles. So this is where you'll now find out whether you can type in to see whether your handle name is now going to be available. So it's a little bit of a double up, but I suppose what it's doing, it's making everything a little bit more neat. So first up, what they're going to say is your character spaces are limited to 30 only. So I could go with my own name, Mark Warnken, and the green dot has appeared to say, yes, that is available. And you can see just the little drop down bottom here, that would then become my new URL here on YouTube. Now, if I tried to claim my whole previous business name or channel name, you can see above, it's now telling me it's longer than 30 characters. So we're going to have to be a little bit creative. That's why they didn't auto select myself a new channel name, because my channel name, they weren't able to work out exactly what it was going to be. So I'm going to have to be a little bit creative in regard to what I want as my handle. Whereas previously my username, I know it might be a little bit confusing. There it is. I was able to get my full channel name as my username. Now, from a handle point of view, I can't do that anymore because it's going to be way too long. So they're saying 30 character spaces only. We can use numbers, we can use letters, we can use underscores and hyphens and things like that. But we can't use phone numbers, or you can't use your website name. You couldn't put www. something like that. And of course, the name has to be available and signified by the green tick over here. So they're suggesting obvious ones would be something that relates to yourself, your business or brand. So I do have the option of going with Social Media Selling 123, and that would become my URL and become my handle, or I could go with your name or my name as I showed you before. So I am going to go with my own personal name. I believe the information that they've given us says it can be changed. So there we go. My handle will become just Mark Warnken, and from the information they told us before, that's going to become my YouTube URL name as well. So let's click publish, and it's auto now populated here with Mark Warnken. That looks like it's now becoming my YouTube URL. If I scroll down the bottom, has it changed there? Maybe I need to refresh this screen and see what happens. Now, it looks like the URL part hasn't updated, but that might take a little bit of time. But moving forward, my YouTube handle becomes Mark Warnken. So when people wanting to tag me or mention me, that type of thing, this will be the auto-populate that YouTube will now pop up for me. Go to the comment section below. I would love to know your thoughts on the YouTube new handle feature, whether you've been able to get the exact one that you wanted or you missed out. I believe this will probably be an evolving, maybe some more information coming through, and I will look to keep everyone up to date. Hopefully you found this video entertaining and informing. As I said at the start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my channel, and go to the comments and let me know your thoughts. Have a great day.